Hey guys, I wanted to give you a really quick little video tutorial for this week's assignments. Remember, every week for social studies, your assignments are going to be posted down here under online learning weekly links, just like we did for each of our units, but now we're doing each week separately. So we're right now on April 6th through the 9th. So that's the current week that we're in. So that's where you're going to click to access this week's work. Just like you would have clicked the units before, you're just clicking the link for the week that we're in. So I know that technically this is a 3-day week for students. I put the 9th on there because I'm going to give you through Thursday to get your work done if you need it. So just keep that in mind. But it is a 3-day week, and your spring break officially starts on Thursday. Mine will start on Friday. So this is the work for this week. There's specific instructions in here about what to do. And then if you click on each assignment, you're going to see more instructions for what to do for each one. So it's going to tell you exactly what to do right in here in this section. And then it's going to tell you here in red how it's going to be graded. And that's true for each of the assignments for this week. Every assignment for this week also has an extra credit option at the bottom for you to read. Remember when you're doing IXLs that IXL is not based on right and wrong answers. It's not how you get your score. It's based on the difficulty of the question that you got right or that you got wrong. It's based on how much time you're spending on each question. All of these different factors, that's how they come up with that SMART score. But I am taking your SMART score plus adding a 100 if you complete the assignment during this week, so you complete it on time, and averaging that together. So if your SMART score for F.2 is a 60 and you complete it by Thursday, your grade is going to be an 80 because 100 plus 60 divided by 2 is an 80. So that's your score. So hopefully that helps you kind of understand how you're going to get the grades for those assignments. My suggestion in doing social studies IXLs is to go slow, read the information, and think about what you're doing. Everything you're doing this week on your IXLs is all review of stuff that we've learned about the Neolithic period and then about the river civilizations. All those civilizations we studied that popped up along rivers. The last assignment for this week is to write me a paragraph, but I'm only looking for 4 to 6 sentences. And I even have given you in here, so right down here, this tab or this little bullet, I've given you step-by-step instructions and outline for exactly what I want in your paragraph. You can use your information from the IXLs that you did as review, use old notes that you have in your binder, any of that to write your paragraph. Below it, just like everything else, here's how it's going to all be graded, along with bonus how you get extra credit for this assignment as well. So hopefully that's helpful. Remember, every assignment each week while we're doing online learning is all going to be linked under the online learning weekly links, and you're going to just click on whatever week we're in. So you may need to check a calendar if you're not sure what day it is. I know I've had that problem a couple of times. So just figure out what day it is, what week we're in, and then click on that specific link to complete the assignments. I am keeping our class calendar updated for the most part. I need to add this week's work to it. So you can also check there. And then we have our weekly Google Doc that has all the teachers' assignments in it for you to use. Hopefully it's just like a good tool for getting assignments done. Last thing, if you submit something or you finish an assignment after it was due, please, please, please email me and let me know. Remember, we talked about it in class. I wish I was a mind reader. That'd be a cool skill to have, but I don't have that. I'm not a mind reader. So if you finish an assignment, let's say from March the 31st, you finished it today, which is April 7th, I need for you to email me and let me know, hey, I completed this specific assignment. Make sure you watched our video on how to send a proper email, either mine or the one that Ms. Petaway put in her Google Classroom assignments for BBC lessons, because they're really hard to read when they're not properly written to us. So, but write a proper email and let me know, hey, I finished this assignment. Can you go back and grade it? Because I am grading assignments as they are completed each week. I think that's it. As always, email me if you have any questions. I want to help you as best as I can. You can email me through email or through Canvas just by clicking on your little inbox button over here. You can send an email to any teacher. So I think that's it. I miss you guys. Have a good week and happy almost spring break to everyone. Bye.